Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making this scrumptious skillet cookie. This video is also inspired by smoking and grilling with AB here on YouTube. So let's get into the video. I am starting off with 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So now that we've combined our dry ingredients, we are now going to combine our wet ingredients in a separate bowl. For our wet ingredients, we are using 1 cup or 2 sticks of butter, 3/4 of brown sugar and 3/4 of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and you want to try to get that mixed up as much as possible. You got to put some elbow grease into this, or you can just use a hand mixer. It'll probably be easier. Now that we finally got everything mixed together into a smooth consistency, you can now add 2 eggs. Also, make sure your butter and your eggs are at room temp before you start mixing. So once the eggs are incorporated, we are gradually going to add our flour, and then we're going to mix it, add more flour, and then mix it. It'll make more sense as you watch. I swear this was like a workout. My arm was hurting by the time I finished mixing this dough up. After you got everything all mixed up, I am using a little bit over a cup of chocolate chips or chocolate morsels. I'm also going to be throwing in some butterscotch morsels as well. So you just want to get your cast iron skillet. It can be big or small, and you want to make sure it is nicely greased, and you just want to press down on your cookie dough. So if you have a small cast iron like me, you can always freeze the extra dough that you have. I'm also going to go in with extra chocolate chips and butterscotch morsels on top. And you want to bake this at 350 for about 30 minutes. This is what it looks like after it's out the oven, and I'm just sticking a toothpick in it, and if it comes out clean, then we know it's done. See that's nice and clean. So I'm just gonna go ahead and top mine with some ice cream. I'm using the Dulce de Leche, which is just pretty much like a caramel ice cream, and it's so freaking good. I'm going to place that right in the center, and I'm also going to top with some caramel. You can also do chocolate, but I forgot to pick up chocolate syrup from the store, so I just did caramel. And if you want, you can also add nuts just for, you know, decoration, or if you just like nuts. And yeah, that's the final look. This cookie was the best cookie I've ever made. You guys have to try it out. As always, I will leave the ingredients in the description box below. And if you try it, let me know how you like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video.